Now moving to another US story, a divided US appeals court has ruled that most of President Donald Trump's tariffs are illegal, striking down one of the signature economic tools that has now been used by President Trump. In a 7-4 decision, the Federal Circuit Court in Washington says that Donald Trump overstepped his authority. This deals a major blow to the tariff regime he has been using to pressurize foreign governments and to reshape the trade policy of Washington. In fact, viewers, the court is allowing the tariffs to remain in place till October 14th, which of course gives Trump administration some time to appeal the verdict and which will likely now go to the US Supreme Court. Now, this ruling comes amid a broader legal showdown that's taking place in the US over the independence of the Federal Reserve, potentially setting up a historic clash over Trump's entire economic agenda. In fact, Trump, reacting swiftly on the Truth Social, blasted the court as highly partisan and also warned of a total disaster if these tariffs are struck down. Remember, as of now, Donald Trump has imposed tariffs on over 60 countries, including India, and the tariffs at India stands at about 50%. Now, Trump here has also expressed confidence of a reversal of the decision at the hands of the conservative majority Supreme Court of the US. Now, at the heart of the issue is the fact that whether or not the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, that's IEEPA, gives the US president the power to impose such tariffs or not. Now, in this case, the court said unequivocally it does not. In fact, the law written in the year 1977 was meant for national emergencies and not trade wars, according to the court. But Donald Trump's use of this act marked the first time that a US president invoked it for tariff, citing trade imbalances, manufacturing decline in the US, and also the cross-border flow of drugs. So these are all the reasons cited by Trump to use this act. Now, 8 lawsuits, multiple rulings, and of course now a Supreme Court showdown looms over this verdict. Remember, markets are currently on edge and important legal questions are at stake, which could mean that the next step, which will, of course would be the Supreme Court, could be the final showdown of how Donald Trump's trade war are going to span out.